Just a second, guys. Did I fool you? I didn't think so. Okay, so. Hello, everyone. It's Coco here, and today I'm going to be doing another challenge I made up because I don't know, they're fun. And the name of this challenge, in case you somehow missed the title, is called What's That Sound? So basically, my editing system has this huge sound bank. It just goes on and 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 on. You get the point. And some of these sounds are really interesting. Frying bacon. They literally have the sound of frying bacon. I never would have guessed that, let alone recognize it if I heard it.
I mean, there's a slight possibility, but
probably not. I mean, it kind of just sounds like rain. So that got me to thinking.
It'd be fun to hear a sound without knowing what it was, and then guessing what I think it is, until you're calling it.
So that's what we're gonna do. Are you ready? Because I'm not. Hold on. Okay, so I put a sticky note over the names, so you can scroll through and hit the play button without reading what it is. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, here we go. The first one is wow. Some kind of a machine. I don't know. I don't know. What's the name? It is the big reveal. Air wrench. Yup, wouldn't have gotten that one. Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. Okay. How about this one? Ready? Oh, car. Yeah.
Obviously.
SUV, pull away, gravel. On to the next sound! Ooh, how about this one? No idea what it is, so it probably doesn't even matter. Falling pennies? Nails? Jelly beans? Those little brackety thingies? They sound metal, so I'm guessing cotton balls! Okay, it is ceramic debris 1. I never would have guessed that. These are kind of harder than I thought they were gonna be. I need to pick some easy ones. Can we get a replay on that? It sounded uncomfortable. Like someone tripping over a sleeping dog. I'm gonna guess some kind of impact. Like a metal impact or something. Or debris toss or some random thing that I'm probably never gonna guess. Debris metal. Cool. I don't know. I guess I need to broaden my sound effects horizon. Door opening. I use that one all the time. Okay, now we have an interesting one. I don't know, it's kind of disturbing, honestly. It sounds kind of like something is opening at the beginning and then like someone's crunching on a carrot or teeth are breaking or something. Like a crinkling bag? I don't know. This one's really got me stumped. Ugh, I don't know. I don't really like the sound of it. Okay, let's see what it is. Drum roll, please! Wait, is there a drum roll sound effect? I guess we'll find out in editing. Drum roll, please! Egg! An egg! An egg! Oh, wait. Yeah, that totally makes sense. Like they're banging an egg on the side. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Ooh, how about this one? Well, that was brief. Okay, I'll stop now. Probably a random thing that I'm never gonna guess, so let's just see what it is. Electronic hit FX 18, yeah. Am I on the wrong side? I can't remember which side I left off. Footsteps. Yeah, the songs can't really count though. It sounds kind of scary. Like an alien ship in the distance or something. There's a lot of white noise in it too, which isn't very helpful. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know. Someone sneaking around at night with a garbage can. I don't know, what do you think? It is mining! Mining! Ah! They actually have a sound effect for mining, so if ever I wanted to go mining, I have a sound for that! Good to know! Because you know, so many videos of mine are now going to include mining, because they're my videos. Mine videos. Please come back. It wasn't me! Brakes! Steam! Hissing snakes! A gang of hissing snakes! A really fierce gang of hissing snakes! Steam effects. Someone swinging a bat at something. Butterfly taking off really fast! Pillow fight! A pinata whabam! A swish one. I like pinata whabam better. Some kind of old, like, fax machine? Nail gun. The Champion Pro stapler. A really old telephone. Telephone! Oh, okay. Technical issue. Well, it's not really a technical issue, it's like it's technically an issue. One of those hand dryer thingies. A leaf sucker upper. Hair dryer on the fritz. Angry swarm of smoking bees. A gargling coyote. A growling bear. On a unicycle. Yeah, see guys, I was right. It's a vacuuming bear on a unicycle. I'm terrible at these. A pond. A lake. A stream. A stream that runs into a pond that runs into a lake. A water river. Seriously, river. That's the only one I didn't say! What? An elephant mixed with a hippopotamus? An alien mutant something? It's alive, I think. I think it's something alive. I don't know why, but it sounds like a robotic elephant. What is that? It is a... Okay, let's just listen to it one more time. Is it a bird? Is it even alive? Maybe I'm like looking at this all wrong. What makes that sound? Okay, you know what? That's it. I'm just, what is it? What is it? What? It is a 3, 2, 1. It's a whale! It's a whale! Oh my goodness, it's a whale! Oh, okay. Yeah, a whale, or like a dolphin-y thingy or something. Wow, I cannot believe I didn't get that. Okay, that's funny. I feel kind of silly now. Yeah! An angry grandpa bee. A sprung spring. One of those tool things that you use to, put in screws? A screw gun? I don't know. Obviously, I know everything about tools. A zipper. Yeah, I don't know. What is it? It's a... It is a zipper! Wow, I was totally kidding! A zipper on a dress, no less. I'm actually really happy I got that without trying to get that at all. I totally thought that was a tool.
the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Because I totally would have got that that's a ratchet. What's a ratchet? Okay, and the final sound. It better be a good one, or else this is gonna end on a weird note. Yeah, the final sound. Are you ready? Are you ready for the final sound? Wait a minute. Are you ready for the final sound? Okay, let's do this. Final sound. Pick a good one. Okay. This is it. This is it. This is it! Man, oh my goodness. I already forgot what it was. That whale! Oh, that... That's what I was saying! Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you could guess some of the sounds better than me, because apparently I'm not as good at guessing sounds as I thought I was. But yeah, it was still fun! I hope you guys are having an amazing day. God bless and keep shining. And I will see you in the next video.